Isang magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, lalong-lalo na po sa aking mga estudyante sa 11 Galilee. Handaan po ninyo sa Castañeda kay Romland. Ang focus po ng ating discussion ngayon is about percent and theoretical yield. Isa po ito sa mga importanteng formula po sa chemistry. In the laboratory, the yields of reactions are not 100% obtained. So this is due to several factors like impurities, incomplete or some side reactions, problems with the accuracy and sophistication of apparatus and devices and others. This then lead to the loss of some of the products. So the yield determined experimentally in the laboratory is what we call actual yield. So let us define some important terms associated with percent and theoretical yields. One, yung tinatawag po natin actual yield. When we say actual yield, this is the yield determined experimentally in the laboratory. The next one is what we call theoretical yield. This is the maximum amount of product that could be formed from the given amount of the reactant. The third one is the percent yield. So this is the percent ratio of actual yield to the theoretical yield. Formula po sa pag-compute ng percent yield ay actual yield over theoretical yield. Since siya po ay percent, no, all multiplied by 100%. So let's have a sample problem. No? Subukan po natin gamitin yung formula po ng percent yield. If, let's say for the reaction, ang reaction po natin ay CH4 react with oxygen gas, yields carbon dioxide and water. So letter A, the question is calculate the theoretical yield for carbon dioxide produced from 0.35 mole of methane. Angat ko lang po ng konti aking screen. Okay, so letter B, suppose that the amount actually obtained for carbon dioxide is 12.3 grams. So the question is, what is the percent yield? Okay, yan po yung dalawang question. Ang gawin po ngayon natin ay i-check po muna natin ang equation kung siya ay balance. Kinakailangan pong balance equation para mag-confirm po tayo sa law of conservation of mass. Check po natin by inspection. Sa reactant, ang number po ng carbon ay 1. Sa product ay 1. Balance sila. Ang hydrogen sa reactant ay 4. Ito naman po ay 2. From there, hindi po sila balance, no? So therefore, we have to balance the equation, no? Maglagay po tayo ng coefficient na 2 rito para po maging 4 yung hydrogen kasi multiply po natin yung 2. So 4 siya, balance na siya rito sa reactant sa 4. Sa oxygen naman, so 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2, 4. Dito naman ay 2 lang. So therefore, maglagay din ulit tayo ng coefficient na 2 rito. 4 na siya, so that makes the equation balance. So let us now read the equation. So 1 mole of methane gas react with 2 moles of oxygen gas yields 1 mole of carbon dioxide and 2 moles of water. Okay, so pwede na po natin i-solve yung letter A kasi na-balance na po natin yung equation. Angat ko lang po yung aking screen. So, solution po tayo. Kung maalala ninyo yung ating past video about calculations based on balance equation, yung ating pong equation ay kinukuha po natin dyan yung mga information katulad po ng number ng mole at saka mass in grams. So, i-apply din po natin dito yan. Since ang involved po na substance sa letter A are carbon dioxide and methane gas, so methane gas at saka carbon dioxide. Tandaan po lagi na ang theoretical yield ay grams po ang kanyang unit. Since dito po ang CH4 ay number ng mole, sa makatuwid kukunin po natin yung number ng mole po ng CH4 o ng methane gas. Since wala siya, understood siya po ay 1 mole of CH4. Okay, dito naman sa carbon dioxide, kunin po natin yung kanyang molar mass. Okay, ang carbon po ay 12. Okay, dito naman po ang oxygen po ay 16 times 2. So we'll give you 32. Add po natin yung dalawang number na to, we'll give you 44. Okay, sa makatuwid, 44 grams of carbon dioxide. Ito po yung kanyang mass sa balance equation. So this is 44 grams of carbon dioxide. So yun po yung relationships when it comes to number ng mole and grams po ng dalawang substance na methane gas and carbon dioxide. So gamitin po natin yung atin pong conversion factor na yan sa pag-solve po ng letter A. Kunin po natin yung given sa problem which is equal to 0.35 mole of methane gas. Multiply po natin sa ating pong conversion factor na for every 1 mole of CH4 or methane gas is equal to 44 grams of carbon dioxide. Since andito na po yung methane gas, dapat po ang ating denominator ay yung may methane gas o CH4 din. So, copyahin po natin ito yung 44 grams of carbon dioxide. Bakit? Para po makancel yung unit na mole carbon dioxide. I-simplify na po natin yung ating pong problem by multiplying 0.35 to 44. So, ang sagot po dyan ay 15.4 grams carbon dioxide. Copy natin yung 1. Divide po natin yung 15.4 grams carbon dioxide sa 1. So, the same number din po, grams of carbon dioxide. So, ito na point niya, tawag natin na theoretical yield. So, angat ko po, ganyan lang po kadali mag-compute ng theoretical yield. So, meaning to say, yung theoretical yield po na yan, na 15.4 grams, yan po yung maximum obtainable amount from 0.35 mole of methane gas or CH4. So, this is your letter A. Okay, sa letter B, you're asked to calculate for the percent yield. Okay, so ibinigay po dyan yung 12.3 grams, which is the actual yield obtained for carbon dioxide. So, using the formula, percent yield, yung formula po natin sa taas kanina, is equal to actual yield over theoretical yield all multiplied by 100%. Angat ko lang po. So, ang gawin po ngayon natin ay i-substitute po natin lahat po ng mga data sa ating formula. So, balikan po natin yung actual yield na ibinigay sa problem, which is equal to 12.3 grams. So, 12.3 grams. Yung ating pong calculated theoretical yield, which is equal to 15.4 grams. Okay? So, times 100% po tayo. So, let us now calculate. Ang sagot po dito ay 79.87%. So, ito po yung tinatawag natin na percent yield. Okay. So, ganyan lang po kadali solve yung percent yield problem. Since ang nakuha po nating percent yield ay 79.87%, ano naman kaya ang ibig sabihin nito or interpretation nito, no? So, kapag po 79% ang ating pong percent yield, ibig sabihin po niyan ay it is more or less efficient. Tandaan, it is more or less efficient. Kasi po, more than 70% yield in chemical reaction, that is already efficient. So, lower than 70%, kapag po ang nakuha po nating percent yield, ibig sabihin, efficient na po ang ating result. So, why is percent yield important? While the percent yield formula is used to better understand yung chemical reactions niyan, it is also valuable for other reasons, such as yung finances. Let's say, for example, a company that creates a chemically based product uses the percent yield formula to evaluate their finances and productivity in product creation. So kapag mababa ang percent yield, it describes a reaction that is extremely far off from the expected result. So that means that the production is being completed inefficiently. Alam naman po natin na a lack of productivity destroys even the strongest companies because it wastes money and time. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Happy learning, everyone. Always remember, sa Castañeda, kayo ang laging unang. Bye-bye for now, and God bless us all. Thank you again for watching.